behind my back. I kept my cool while trust faded to black. Now silence says what words can't find, and truth reveals itself in time. I can't control the storm, but I can dance in the rain. Let the rhythm wash the pain. Let forgiveness be the flame. I won't flinch when thunder calls. I can't control the storm, but I can dance in the rain. Friends pulled me close when the smoke cleared out. Said, don't let this steal your grace. Watch the city fade in rearview glass. Felt the past roll off at last. Now I see the calm I found. And weakness is solid ground. I can't control the storm, but I can dance in the rain. Let the rhythm wash the pain. Let forgiveness be the flame. I won't flinch when thunder calls. I can't control the storm, but I can dance in the rain. So when the dark starts talking loud, I won't be afraid to bend. The same rain that breaks the ground brings the flowers up again.